removing image background in 4 lines using Python. So there's one library that you need to import that will help us in this process. The library name is REMBG. So to do that, we will just type this in our console. So when you do this in console, it will automatically install it in your PC. Mine is already installed, so you will have a different success message. So now, going back to the code, here we have a cute puppy image. Now we want to convert this image into a backgroundless image. To do that, here's the 4 line that you need to remember. So we will just import RMBG and we will import image. We will import pillow. Sorry, not image. It's a remove function. Pillow is another library that Python uses for any information regarding image. Totally use that function. Open that image. Make sure the image is in PNG. Sometimes JPEG file doesn't work, so it is better to use PNG file. So now we just save it. Let's see, puppy without background. Let's save it in PNG as well. So now we just run this code and we will wait until you see the magic. We will see the file has appeared here, and now we will check. Here you go. Now you have an image without a background. So hope you like this video and click the like button and share this video. See you in the next one.